Good day, sir.
Good day. Thank you.
Sir, I'm really sorry to disturb you.
Okay.
If you look at me very well, you will know that I'm doing well. I'm not a beggar.
Very good.
Sir, I'm on my way to Lagos this morning. But as I was going, I lost my money. Oh! As I talk to you now, how to get to Lagos is a very big problem for me. So any amount you can help me with, just so I can reach Lagos on time, I would really appreciate, sir. Please, sir, don't be offended, sir.
Actually, I'm a cab driver and I'm even waiting for my passenger. I just came out this morning. I've not made any money. But let me just see. Please, just try and manage this one, eh? Please. Just manage this, please. Don't let me.
Okay? You must be a very stupid man. No, now look at me. Do I look poor to you? Do I look like somebody who can't afford 500 naira, okay? You see that car there? That is my car. Eh? I'm not poor. For me to come and beg you for money, it's a privilege. So if you don't have money, you will tell me so that I can help you.
Yes! What is the meaning of this? You came here to ask for help, and I'm giving you what I have. You're insulting me. Don't try it.
You are a goat.
What is this?
Eh? You want to come down to fight me?
I will fight you. Why will you insult me? You are broke and proud, and you expect people to help you.
It is your father that is broke and proud. You're a very useless person. Let me help you.
What am I trying to say?
Take.
Who is this? Take your money. Don't give me.
What's going on here?
You see? You see why they need to help people? You see,
My friend, what's going on here? Can you imagine this beggar? He came here asking for help, and I gave him what I have. He started insulting me.
Beggar?
He's a beggar, oh.
My friend, who are you?
I am the president, United Beggars Association, Benin Zone. Who are you?
I'm the PRO, United Beggars Association, Ekoma Zone. Helping hands.
Give us never lack.
Helping hand.
Give us never lack.
Can I know my offense?
Papa, no, my president.
Can you imagine? Are you trying to come along this thing? So this is what you people do.
I go come out your teeth just now. What's wrong with this poor man?
Please, can you imagine this? Hey!
President, why you not remove it? You think they will poor? See my car then. My car be that.
That is my car. Also,
Oh, this is your car. You not see I'm white. Eh? Do you think we are poor? What's wrong with this boy?
I can see that the customers in these your zones are very, very rude.
The customers here are very, very rude and broke. Yes! You know you say na 2.4 and Corona and they pass here.
I wonder.
Yeah, don't cast. See that junction why they show you so. Just a stone throw from here. Take by your left. BB customers and BB cars now they there. President, you have to go there to avoid see finish.
Thank you, my brother.
Helping hands.
Give us never lack.
Did he shock me?